everyone, my name is Aruba Mir and you are watching AI Studio. So our today's project is text processing operations for NLP using TextBlob. Let's start the project. For this project, firstly I am installing a library with the name TextBlob, that is pip install textblob. Then I am installing a library in Python with the name Corpora. I'm installing it in TextBlob, that's why I'm writing here textblob dot download underscore Corpora. Now let's run it. As you can see the requirements completed already. Now the question is, what is TextBlob and what is Corpora? So the TextBlob is a Python library for processing textual data. It provides a simple API for diving into common NLP's tasks such as part of speech, classifications, translation, analysis, and etc. Now what is Corpora? Corpora is a group presenting multiple collection of text document, for example a sentence or a paragraph, etc. And if I want to write only a single sentence, so the corpora is called corpus. After that we are now going to import TextBlob, that is from TextBlob I'm writing import TextBlob. Now I am declaring a variable with the name my sentence. I am writing here any sentence. You can write here any kind of paragraph or a sentence you like to enter anything. Okay, so I am writing here very randomly, I am reading a blog post on AI Studio and I am loving it. It's a very random sentence, you can enter anything here. Okay, after that, now if I want to phrase my sentence or to check some nouns in my sentence, I simply re-enter my variable, that is my sentence dot noun underscore phrases. Now it simply displays the phrases of my sentence or the paragraph you write here. So after that, if we want to add any kind of sentiment analysis, for example you want to check the polarity of your paragraph or sentence, or if you want to check any kind of polarization of your sentence, you simply write your variable again dot sentiments. It simply display the polarity of the sentence and the subjectivity of the sentence. Now if you want to only display either polarity or subjectivity, so you write your variable again dot sentiments dot polarity. Now I enter here the polarity, so it simply displays the polarity, that is 0.6. So as you can see 0.6 display on my screen. Now if I want to write my sentence or my paragraph in words, like each word have its own specification, you simply write the variable dot words. As you can see, each word has its own specification with the single colon brackets. Okay, now if you want to pluralize these words, you rewrite your variable dot words dot pluralize. So now you can see the output is all the words are converted into pluralized form. I is converted into we, am is converted into ams, and so on. So if you want to write your paragraph in different lines, for example, a one full stop line is written in one line, so you can write your variable dot sentences. Now both of my lines are written in different lines. After that, if you want to correct your spellings for the paragraphs, I simply declare a variable with the name b. Then I'm adding my library and simply write any kind of sentence with the wrong spelling. For example, I have good spelling. I write here all the wrong spellings. So now we will check if it write the correct spelling or not. Print b dot, b is my variable, and then correct. Now as you can see, we are displaying the right spelling. With the spelling I have good spelling. So after that, if I want to read any single word or a specific word, how many times it used in my paragraph or in my sentence, we have to enter firstly any kind of sentence which resembles any two words or three. It is textblob. Okay, I am adding here I am reading dot I am reading a blog. Here I am using reading 2 times just to count my sentences, either the compiler detects or not. So now I am detecting it with my sentence dot word underscore counts slash reading. Now I write a word here which I want to count. I have a mistake here. So now let's run it. As you can see, it displays the word reading. So that's it for today.